How to copy an Instagram comment. Are you looking for ways to copy an Instagram comment? Although Instagram doesn't provide a built-in option for copying comments. However, this video will show you a few things you can use to copy comments on Instagram on any of your device, either the Android or iOS. Now, on your Instagram account, locate the comment you want to copy, either a comment on your post or any comment in other posts. I don't have a post and I don't have a comment, so for the purpose of this video, I'll make use of this post. Now, to copy the comment, tap on view or locate the comment you want to copy. You might have noticed that trying to tap and hold on the comment to copy won't result in anything. You can only add it to your story, report the account or block it. Now, to copy this comment, what you do is to take a screenshot of the entire comment section, as you can see on the screen. Once you've done that, navigate to your photo library to access the image you just took a screenshot. Now you're in your photo library. The first thing to do is to edit and crop other comments away, so it will be easy for you to copy the comment you want. You can crop other comment away. Like this. After you have done that, tap on the Google Lens below, then tap on select text, tap on copy, and this way you have copied the comment and the comment is on your clipboard. You can paste it wherever you want, and this is an easy way to copy comments on Instagram. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to get more useful content like this. See you in the next video.